Wow, this thing is melting, guys. Look in here. It's pretty cool. Oh, wow. This spins, that melts, and I'm wearing a sweater that's too warm for this kind of a thing. Well, hello everybody, and welcome to the Ojai Valley Inn, a luxurious place where you can just relax, let go, and enjoy the beautiful weather and the beautiful scenery. Welcome to the artist Cottage. We are going to go paint something extraordinary. With my painting skills, like we say in French, ça laisse à désirer. That means that it's really not going to be terrible. But let's go see what I can do today. I'm supposed to pick one of these to paint, but I don't know which one to pick. But I don't want to do a plate. Okay, so we are going to be making a candle, and let's go see how we do this. I'm going to weigh the pot. Okay.
Yeah, it's calibrated to have the pot on there. There's 6 different fragrances to choose from there. You'll have that picked out before you start. So anywhere between the 15 to 20 milliliter point, depending on how strong you want it.
Okay, I'm supposed to remember. Okay, got it.
You put the thermometer back in. While you're waiting for the wax to cool down,
Yes, ma'am.
you'll take your wick here, jar there as much as possible. And when it says 135, you'll take the thermometer.
Oh boy. Okay. If I make a mistake, what happens?
It's
You yell?
very hard to. No,
Okay.
it's.
From what I remember, I'm laughing back then. From what I remember, I take this and I put it on here. You guys tell me if I make a mistake. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I have to take some of this and pour it in here. As you guys can see, it has to come to the blue line, if that's what I remember. Let's see if I can do this without looking at the board and the instructions. Normally, I don't get things this fast, but maybe this one I did. Boy, it takes a lot of this stuff, whatever this is. Wax. Oh my, we're not even there yet. Oh my lantern. Okay, we're on the blue. Then we put it on here, okay? We put this to a medium. Yeah, I was listening for once. I was also listening because I didn't think she was gonna repeat it. Then we stick this thing in there and we wait till it goes up to 150. Now we have to wait. You can even add food coloring and make it different colors, the wax. I think you can do that, right? Oh, it's going up to 91. Wow. With this, I think I have to mix it, right? Wow, this thing is melting, guys. Look in here. It's pretty cool. Oh, wow. This spins, that melts, and I'm wearing a sweater that's too warm for this kind of a thing. This is really good, and then I'll be able to put the incense that I like in the candles. Oh, we're at 114, guys. We're almost there. 115. Wow, this is the best melting wax. This would be a good cooker for the house to cook eggs on. For one pot system. 36, 37, 38, 38. This is how they do also wax to take off your hair, off your lights. Sugar wax, they melt it and they put it hot on you and then you scream and then they pull it off and you scream again. Oh my god, I'm burning up. Oh, we're almost there. 150. Okay, then what do? We turn this off, right? We take it off the burner. Guys, I didn't smell what I'm gonna put in there. Smelling, this is some fast smell. Oh, I like this one. Citrus Grove. We're gonna put, oh god, with my hand that shakes, we're gonna be pouring it more out than in. So we're gonna take a wick, we're gonna take a sticker, we're gonna put the sticker on the wick, we're gonna make it stay tight like this.
We have been interrupted by a blow dryer.
Thank you very much and have a nice day. So now we're gonna pour this element in here. I feel like I'm doing chemistry. The thing is gonna blow up in 5 seconds. So this in here, holding the wick straight apparently. Because if the wick is not straight, your candle is gonna burn sideways, you get it? Wax will set in 30 to 60 minutes. Now what you wanna do with those 30 to 60 minutes, that's not my problem, you guys figure it out. We're gonna ask the owners of this place, where do I put this thing, which looks like I did pee-pee in there. And here's my pee. Anybody wants to test? Apparently, according to a candle expert, this is the most energizing, clean, and refreshing one. This is why I picked this one. Well, that was an amazing experience. Candle is done. We're gonna label this beautiful candle. And oh god, I'm crooked. It's okay, it's a little crooked. Nothing is perfect in life. It will cure my OCD. I am ready to share my creativeness with you guys. So I made this candle yesterday. Look at that. Look what we got here. Mina's first candle. The essence of freshness and calmness and just serenity. Try to smell, guys. Just try to smell. I think you guys should make yourself candles. So let me give you a trick. When the wax was wet, what I would do is put flower petals, so then you would see them. Or you can put different things that float. I don't know what the technique is for that. That's a little chemistry there. But I'm telling you, I'm gonna be smelling this all day. May that bring you into a healthy year with a lot of love, health, and happiness. Please stay positive and looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye.